Today, I wanted to talk a little bit about Rubik's Cubes. Something I got into when I was a teenager, just for a little bit. I just wanted to be able to solve it, and then turns out it's not really that hard to learn how to solve them. So it was like a little hobby until you learn how to solve it, and you can do it in a few minutes or something. And then I put it away for a decade or 15 years or something. And then I saw one while I was in a Target. I saw this one and thought, oh man, like it's a speed cube and it seems a lot more satisfying to play with, and it's been a while. I've played with them like here or there. Like, why not pick it up? It seems like something fun to get back into. And it ended up being way more fun than I thought. Way more satisfying, just really relaxing. And turns out it's a lot more interesting than I had previously thought about how you could slowly get better and better at them, and it's not like you had to be like competitive or best in the world to actually do them. But I thought, why would I ever make a video about them? Like, there's so many people who are better at these than I am. And the world record's getting beat constantly. Someone just got 3 seconds, 4 seconds, something insane like that. But my problem was that anytime I see videos of people solving them, they're so fucking good that there's no need to watch them because I have no idea what's going on. So I thought I'm going to film me solving one here. One, just to record myself for later, but also for anyone who's like me, who just wants to see someone solve it pretty quick, but not so quick that it's just like... So anyway, I'm gonna start here. It'll probably take me a minute and a half. Let's see. Unfortunately, I find it pretty hard to talk at the same time. Let's see, we're doing first 2 layers. So this year, I actually learned how to solve it a little more efficiently than before. And I thought it was really fun that it took a whole 30 seconds or minute off of my time. And let's see, almost done the first couple layers. All right,